This is going to be a video tutorial on how to turn on or off autoplay on the Zen Web Browser. I will be using a desktop PC for this. Let me jump over to my browser here. I have the Zen Web Browser opened up now. To enable or disable autoplay, the first thing you want to do is open up Settings. I'm going to go off to the lower left hand corner, down to the little gear wheel. I'm going to click on that gear wheel. Then on the settings page that opens up, the pane off to the left hand side, go down to Privacy and Security. I'm going to click on Privacy and Security. Then on the center pane, you want to scroll down a ways, down to where you see the permissions section. And in the permissions section right here is autoplay. Go off to the right side of autoplay and click on Settings. Now in the dialog box that opens up here, right up top here, default for all websites. As you can see, I have blocked audio selected, but this is a drop down. You can click the drop down. I can allow audio and video on websites. I can block audio or block audio and video. You can select any one of those three. Then down below here it says you can manage the sites that do not follow your default autoplay setting here. There'll be websites listed in here possibly, and you can change the setting on each one of those sites if you choose to, or you could go down to the bottom and click on Remove Website, or you could click on Remove All Websites. Then you go down to the bottom and you can click on Save Changes. That is how to enable or disable autoplay on the Zen Web Browser. Thanks for watching.